Little Uns, today I will teach you how to build a fire. Starting with the basics, we'll first gather up all we need, including dry leaves, small branches, a few larger branches. That's pretty much about it. Maybe some dead grass, that is always the best, but we'll be lucky to find any around here. Let's move out. Jack, let's go. Alright, so this seems a good area. Alright, so little ones, come over here. Gather up some leaves. Alright, let's start cutting this sucker down. There we go. Just snap it, starting there. Alright, we'll just need to cut that a little bit. Alright, there we go. We got one. Cut the leaves. Alright. We got some branches. Take that. Get a few more leaves. I'll start taking the smaller branches. Alright. Grab some of these. Take these. Thank you. Piggy, get your honey over here. Not doing any work. Alright, take some of that. Take some of these. First, look for a good spot where the sun is shining. Here, it's not very sunny, but if we start tilting it a little bit, move it a little over, Jack. Maybe lift it up a little bit. Alright, now you're going to find a good spot. You're going to hold the magnifying glass, or the glasses if you have someone has glasses. Hold it up. And just, get a good spot where it magnifies the sun's rays. And so that you're going to try to find, so that it finds a circle, like right here. Right here. And then you're just going to move that over right around there. So it gets to the drier grass, because that'll be the first to light. And just hold it there for a while. Best is to do this around 12, I say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock latest. And just hold it there for a while. Until it starts to smoke and create fire. Whoa! There we go! We got it! Dang, we got that, sucker. Yep, there we go. There's our fire. There we go. There we go. There's our fire. Survivors. Right here, baby. Feed it some oxygen when it needs some. Yep, there you go. That's the fire. That's beautiful.